Hi, my name is Swaminandan. I'm the executive chef of Crown Plaza today, New Delhi, Oakland. So today we're going to do a very simple dish which doesn't include a lot of technical skill. Anybody can do it. In fact, a school-going kid can do it with a lot of ease, I would say. It's oven roasted chicken breast with Parsley Pesto, and we'll serve along with pumpkin puree, which is sweet, but we will infuse a little bit of cumin to give you a different dimension in terms of taste. And we'll serve along with a mustard oven baked baby potatoes. So we'll start with the chicken breast now.